So hello children, we move on to part 2 of our video lesson on similarity. In the part 1 of the video you have seen almost half an hour more than, or maybe a little more than half an hour. I gave you full introduction of what is similarity and what you need in ICSE, what is there in syllabus, and maps and model, which is a part of size transformation, is out of syllabus. So here I am going to do in this 2-3 video lesson 2 sums of previous year ICSE. I am not starting with 2020 because 2020 question came from maps and model, which is size transformation, which is out of this reduced and revised syllabus. So 2019 I'll do, and then I'll do 2018, where you will see in 18 2 questions had come. I think some year you have 2 questions. So that maps and model I will not do because it will not come for you. So I'll do other question based on similarity. So here we start part 2. So concept I told you, see part 1 very nicely children. If you fail to understand part 1, you won't be able to understand anything from part 2 to 4, which you are going to see. So here what is given, let us see 2019 ICSE. This is question 16 unsolved. So I'll do all the unsolved question for you, and then I'll tell you what solved question you must see. So this is in ML Agrawal's book. I am doing exercise 13.3 and this is question 16 unsolved. So what is given here children? Generally you will see one big triangle where you will have another small triangle. So see clearly we have triangle PQR. This is 90 degree and it's given this PTS is a part of PQR. So PST, same way you say, remember ordering is important. PQR, CQ is 90 degree, and here PST S at 90 degree, and you will see first to first, P is equal to P in both the triangle, and R corresponds to T. So R corresponds to T means here I'll make you understand these two angles are equal. So let us first prove that they are similar. So generally what I'll tell you children, you must draw a separate diagram as I have done, especially for beginners when we are doing similarity. So this triangle, I have drawn the full triangle here and I have drawn the small triangle here. We have to prove them similar. So we have to just prove two angles equal children. So see, this is 90, this is 90. So what we have, angle, just I repeat the first part, PQR. So first we should say actually in which two triangle we want to prove. So first we should say in triangle PQR and triangle PST, very similar to children congruency what we have done in class 9. So if you have done congruency nicely, you will have no problem here. So PQR, so what is given children? PQR is equal to angle PST is equal to 90 degree. This is what is given children. This angle is equal to this angle. So if I separate this angle is equal to this angle. Next you will see angle P is common to both children. Angle P is common to both. So 2 angle of this triangle is equal to 2 angle of this triangle. That means the third angle children, see here, third angle with asterisk, not cross, with asterisk I show, of this triangle should be equal to third angle of this triangle. So these are called corresponding angles. So if 2 angles of one triangle is equal to 2 angle of other triangle, so let us write the other triangle. I write angle P, so I can use one word nomenclature children. P is equal to P. There is one angle at P, you will see. So 2 angles are equal. So triangle, first you will get 1 mark here. Triangle PQR is similar to triangle PST by AA axiom. AA, triple A or double A you do. So angle, 2 angles are equal. This angle of this triangle is equal to this angle. This is common children, and this is 90 given, and this is 90 in bigger triangle. So 2 angles equal, third angle will automatically be equal, but to prove similarity you need 2 angles. So 2 angles are congruent. So this, if you see, I'll tell you how many marks it carries and how the marking scheme will be there, how the marks is distributed generally. Okay, you'll have a fair idea how much you have done and how much part mark you will get. So this I have proved that these 2 triangles are similar. Now second part is little tricky and very important. Okay, so kindly pause the video and copy, because for second part I will use this area. Okay. So children, for second part, we have proved these two triangles are similar by a rule of congruency. Now see second part, we have question, we have to find the area of this triangle PQR, okay, this full triangle with this quadrilateral SRQT. Means we have to find the ratio of area of full this triangle to this. So see how we do. So in my part 1 of the video, if you have seen very nicely, I have explained how the area of similar triangle is proportional to, is equal to side square, ratio of side square. So see here, so we have proved this is similar. So what we do, see here very nicely, I have written the value opposite to this angle. See, only two values are given. PQ is 5, PQ is 5 and PS is 2. So see how these two are corresponding sides. I'll show you. See 5 centimeter here if we have children. Okay, so it is opposite to this third angle in the big triangle. So corresponding to this angle is this angle. I told you third angle of this triangle should be equal to third angle because this is equal to this is equal to this. So correspondingly this angle in this small triangle is corresponding angle to this. So opposite to this is, so how we will write, see here, area of, okay, area of PQR bigger triangle by area of PST, triangle PST. So area of this by area of this is proportional to side square. So just see one pair of side. I was showing you don't need three pair of side. So see my part 1, especially the last 5 minutes. Okay, so this is 5 square, opposite to this is this. Area is proportional to side square and opposite to this is 2 centimeter. So 2 square. So this is 25 by 4. The ratio between, if this is 25, this is 4. Okay, because this is 5 square, one side, area is proportional to 5 square is to 2 square. Okay, so 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4. Okay, now last part. How we write? We have to get area of quadrilateral. So what we do, children, area of triangle PQR, we subtract down area of triangle PQR minus triangle PST. Area of PQR minus PST, if you subtract, you will get this quadrilateral. So this is 25, children, and this is 25 minus 4. See here, total we got 25. If we subtract 4, so this is 4, children. Full thing is 25. Okay, this full thing is 25. So this remaining will be 21. So what we get? Full triangle, ratio of full triangle by ratio of this quadrilateral. So full triangle is 25. And this part I told you 25 minus 4 you take out. Area of this is total area minus this 4. Okay, so what we get? 25 by 21, and you can write it as a ratio. Actually, these are ratio, could have taken x like that, 5x is to 2x. So x would have also cancelled, 25, okay, x square by 4x square. So like that you can do. But this way also you can do. Okay, so once more we get the area of triangle this and this, which is equal, the ratio of the triangle's area is equal to ratio of their side square. So 5 square and 1 2 square. So we get 4. Then we subtract from this triangle this. So we get quadrilateral. Down you see up remains same, and down we subtract. So 25 full area minus 25 minus 4. So 25 is to 21 is the ratio. Please write in ratio, children, because if question ask in this, we had to put, sometimes they ask in this form, you can write 25 by 21. Sometimes they ask in ratio form. So you can write the answer in ratio when they ask in ratio form. Let's do one question from the 2018. So let us take the second and last question in this session, 2018, children. This year I think 2 questions came. One on maps and model, which is out of syllabus, what we call size transformation, and second one, children, is this. So very good sum. See over here, we have 2 triangles here if you see. Okay, PMN, if you want to draw separately, this PMN I'll show is similar to this full triangle. Okay, you can draw separately. This is PQR. So what we are going to do here, we have to find ratio of MN is to QR. So first we will prove in triangle. We will prove this triangle and these two triangles are similar. How we will do? See here in triangle PQR. Let us take here ratio small to big. So small to big. First I take PMN and small triangle. So see, small to big it is. This is in small triangle and QR is in the big triangle. So I take the small triangle first and then the big triangle PQR. So see what we have, children. There are these two angles, these two lines are parallel. So these are corresponding angle. If you see, these two are corresponding angle. This angle is corresponding to this three. I put this are corresponding because parallel line. This is transversal and this is transversal. So two angle of this triangle is equal to two angle of this triangle. You can take the third one also. This is also common. Any two angle you take, children. These two are corresponding. These two are corresponding. That's enough to prove them similar. So here what we can do, angle PMN from small triangle to big is equal to PQR. PQR you can see in the big triangle, PMN is equal to PQR. PNM, see, order is very important here, children. PNM is PRQ. Okay, so triangle PMN, one mark you will get here, is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, so once I proved similar, then what happens, you see next, once they are similar, then sides are proportional. So see, we have to get MN by QR. So first what we do, children, in the small triangle, PM is proportional to PQ because opposite to this is PM and opposite to this is PQ. Opposite to this is PQ. So this is proportional to what we have to find, MN of this triangle. Opposite to this and opposite to this is QR. So this is what we have to find, MN by QR. Now, so once more, this over this full thing. This over this full thing is this over this full thing. Sides are proportional since the triangle are similar by a rule of similarity. Now, MN by QR we have to find. So what we will do, children, what is PM? PM, if you see, let this be, this ratio is given 2:3. So if this is 2x, this is 3x. If this is 2x, this is 3x, that means this becomes 5x full thing. And this is your 2x. So Mn, if it is 2x, so see here, Mn by QR, PM. PM is 2x. PM is 2x, but what is PR? PQ, sorry, PQ. What is PQ? Just I am writing opposite because we have to find this. Okay, I could have written it just the opposite. I could have written this. If you have any problem, PM by PQ. So what I have done here, children, if you see, this over this, what we have to find is this over this full thing. So PMS, if you see, 2x, which is proportional to PR, which is 2x plus 3x. 2x plus 3x. So we get 2x by 5x. So this is 2:5. So first answer is this is to this. I think this is a 4-mark question. You will get 1 mark for showing similarity and 1 mark for getting the first answer, which is 2:5. Okay, then please pause the video and copy. Then we move on to the next part of the question, that is so please copy. Then we will move on to part 2. So let us see the next part. We have to prove, children, these two triangles. see here, these two triangles, okay, I've drawn separately, could have done here. These two triangles are similar, so I've drawn it separately so you can see these two are parallel lines. So if you see triangle OMN, so you can write in triangle OMN and your ORQ. This order is very important, children. I'm telling OMN, OMN, this angle, this order, and you see an ORQ. These two are, if you see, alternate angle. So in this two triangle, you see angle OMN is equal to angle ORQ. This angle is equal to this angle because they are alternate angle. Okay, alternate angle. Next, you can take, children, this angle is equal to this angle, also they are alternate, or these two are vertically opposite. So what we get, children, here is angle, in this you see MON, so here also ROQ, angle ROQ. See R double line, this, and then single line you can put it. So MON, this angle is ROQ. So unlike congruency, when you order the angle, so QOR, you cannot write ROQ as QOR. Okay, so once we follow this order here, MON, so here you have to follow ROQ because M is equal to R, M is not equal to Q. So triangle OMN is similar to triangle ORQ by AA rule. As I told you, AA rule will always come. So since two angles of one triangle is equal to two angles of other triangle, so they are similar. Now last part, find the area of, we have to find the area of this. So remember our first topic discussion, we proved this is to this was 2:5, so this is 2:5. So we have to find ratio of this area. So last part, children, find the area. So here only I am doing, okay, here I am doing only find the area of ONM. So area of ONM, OMN, is 2x square or 2 you can say, and this is ORQ. So this is 5, you remember. Okay. So side of this is 2x. Part 1 I have proved that, remember. This was 2:3, then we plotted 2:5. So this is also 2:5x. So area of this two triangle will be proportional to square of their side. So actually one thing more I should have written here. This, before writing this, we could have written it. What, children? It is mn square by, so after this you write this mn square by qr square rq square. Okay, mn square is rq square, which is this square by this square. So if you do, this is 4x square by 25x square. Okay, so this you will get 4:25. X square will cancel, children. Okay, so the ratio of area is 4:25. You could have avoided x, you could have directly written, since answer was here 2:5, so you could have done, okay, otherwise method 2 you could have done 2 square by 5 square, because first part we have got this is 2:5. So remember one thing, since answer is asked in ratio, so don't write like this, better you write like is2, because this is very important. Once answer is in ratio, you should get answer in ratio, because sometime you may lose 1 mark. So this is end of our part 2 video. So next also part 3, we will try to do 2 years latest question, children. So please pause the video, copy. If you have any problem, you can play back, you can rewind and see it nicely. Give time, children. As I told you, circle and this similarity are little difficult. Geometry part in class 10 is difficult, but if you give time and if you follow lesson properly, I hope you will understand it nicely. Thank you children for watching this video session.